On a chilly, foggy morning in the Cascade Mountains of British Columbia, the landscape awakens with a distinctive mix of tension and beauty. Rain slicks the cold roads, and the usually busy highways seem to hold their breath, anticipating the unpredictable challenges ahead. In this dramatic setting, Season 2, Episode 3 of Highway Through Hell unfolds, inviting us to experience a day where nature's surprises and human perseverance combine. The notorious Coquihalla and Highway 1 become the stage for high-stakes rescues and timely decisions. Jamie Davis, our steadfast coordinator, leads his dedicated team with calm precision, aware that every call could turn into a battle against time. This narrative journey offers a peek into the world where heavy machinery meets relentless weather, and every recovery mission reflects true grit in the face of adversity, setting the tone for a day that demands focus, unity, and unwavering determination. Simply compelling. At the break of dawn, an urgent call comes through about a fully loaded semi-truck veering off an icy road and plunging into a deep ditch along Highway 1. The scene is set against a backdrop of swirling fog and slippery surfaces, where danger lurks at every turn. In response, Jamie Davis wastes no time deploying Adam Gazzola, known by many as Adam 911, in the formidable rescue machine, aptly called the Rotator. As Adam races towards the incident, his mind is focused on the delicate balance between swift action and careful precision. The truck's precarious position, teetering on the edge and burdened with heavy construction materials, creates an atmosphere of urgency. With the icy ground offering little grip, Adam meticulously rigs the winch lines, selecting a sturdy tree to anchor the enormous load. The task is made more challenging by the dense, moisture-heavy air and diminishing safe ground, necessitating calculated movements and tireless teamwork. Amid radio check-ins and subtle hand signals, fellow operator Kevin joins the effort, adding strength to the recovery process. The orchestration of every maneuver underscores not only the technical expertise, but also the trust within the team as they work diligently to restore safety. Shortly after the first recovery, the narrative shifts to a rugged logging road where trouble strikes again. A tandem dump truck, struggling on a steep downgrade, has jackknifed and now blocks an essential forestry route used daily by many vehicles. In this situation, new team member Brandon is given the opportunity to show his skills, supported by seasoned veteran Gord. Upon arrival, Brandon notices a leaking hydraulic fluid that makes the ground dangerously slick. With careful focus and a precise approach, Brandon sets up the winch line and begins pulling the truck onto firmer ground. Gord's steady guidance ensures that every move builds Brandon's confidence. Together, the duo manages to maneuver the vehicle from its risky position, a testament to the blend of youthful energy and experienced wisdom that fuels the team's recovery efforts. Their combined effort truly reflects unwavering resilience and the spirit of teamwork. Back at headquarters, the stakes climb as routine maintenance issues come to light. A roadside inspection reveals that one of the trucks carries violations that could result in fines or downtime. Jamie Davis takes these red flags seriously, holding a team meeting to emphasize the importance of well-maintained equipment. In a relaxed yet focused tone, he reminds everyone that their tools are the backbone of each rescue and that safety must never be compromised. This focus on equipment maintenance reflects the team's commitment to staying reliable in a competitive landscape. Their unwavering resolve and diligence redefine reliability every single day. As the day unfolds, the drama intensifies when a call comes about a tractor-trailer hauling scrap metal that has encountered a severe tire blowout. The vehicle has crashed through a guardrail near Zopkios, leaving its rear perilously dangling over a steep drop. In this nerve-wracking scene, Jamie Davis personally joins the recovery operation, reinforcing the message that every rescue is a shared responsibility. The combination of the powerful Rotator and a supportive heavy wrecker sets the stage for a carefully coordinated effort. With Howie's precise rigging, the team stabilizes the trailer amid gusty winds and muddy terrain. Every planned move is a delicate dance between speed and caution as the crew gradually reels the truck back to safety. This incident showcases the reliability and unity of the crew, each member contributing seamlessly to protect lives and affirm that every challenge on the highway is met with determination and teamwork. In the quiet after the storm, As the day draws to an end, the team regroups at the yard. The reflection is not one of boasting, but a humble acknowledgement of the battles of the day. Each incident, from icy recoveries to daring rescues, paints a vivid picture of grit and unity. The narrative captures life on these highways, where every decision, every machine's performance, and every act of bravery is etched with determination. On this highway through hell, survival is a testament to the spirit of a team that meets every challenge head on, ensuring nothing can slow them down.